CIA 365, yung wrap-up natin na topic na crossroads. It's very, what's the right word, no? Na akmang-akma yung topic na crossroads because we are at a national crossroad and many of us in government, syempre, nasa crossroad din tayo. So this afternoon, I just want to address myself muna sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan kasi may pinost si former Senator, former Secretary of Justice, former head or chairperson of the Commission on Human Rights, Leila De Lima, na mga sagot sa issue na binanggit ko ng isang araw, which is very much welcome. But there are also accusations that are very unfounded and I would dare say are lies. And there are also pangpalito sa issue. So with your permission sa akin Facebook community at kung meron tayong mga kapatid sa media na nanonood ngayon, I'd like to, yan, sabi ni Sheila, isasali ka daw, sabi ni De Lima. Sasagutin ko po. Let's still use former Senator De Lima to give respect naman din, di ba? So, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Grace, Henrebs, Phoebe, thank you for always being there. Nairen, Malin, Janice. So, let me start po with a life verse, my life verse po. Sabi po sa Jeremiah 29:11, "For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Diba? Kung may katabi ka ngayon, sabihin mo maganda plano ni Lord sa'yo. Ako po ay lubusan naniniwala dyan. And I like mentioning Jeremiah because he is a prophet na kinikilala ng Muslim, ng Hudyo at ng Kristiyano. And regardless no kung ano ang ating religion, sabi nga ni Alcuin, shout out sa mga taga-Negros. So ikaw man ay Ilocano, Waray-Waray, Kapampangan, Bisaya, taga-Sambuanga, di ba? Kung saan man tayo, kung ano man paniniwala natin, pare-pareho tayong naniniwalang may magandang plano ang Diyos. Ang nakakalimutan minsan sabihin o ituro ay demonyo may plano din para sa atin. Bakit yan po ang starting point ko? Because when I joined President Duterte, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, September 29, 2015, after listening to his plan of how to rid the Philippines of drugs, maging drug-free ang Pilipinas. Pero ang plano ng demonyo, maging narco state ang Pilipinas. Sa haba ng